So I'm wondering if this part was a old fort. There's like a little cannon. Kind of looks like the outline of something. Huh, I don't know. So I have no idea where I'm at. This is very, very Icelandic. You can look in this whole crowd. There is not a brother or sister in sight. All right, I want to keep just walking around, chilling, enjoying this day. You know what's so weird here is even the little kids have credit cards. I mean, nobody from here uses cash. It's funny because when I pay for something cash, a lot of times you can see them going through their hair trying to figure out the change. I even had one place ask me if that was the right change. It's just a, you know, totally different culture. Smells fishy. It looks like a cave down in there. Back down, where's my finger? Right in there. There's a little cave in the side of that cliff. Look at these sheer cliffs. Wow. You know, usually I can talk a lot, but some things I just look at. I can't describe in words what I'm looking at. Sorry guys, I'm gonna head back towards the city. I came from way up there. There's a path, there's a guy walking that way that I'm hoping maybe he's gonna go behind and head in towards the city, because I really don't want to go back up that big hill again. So that's the way I came in. I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna head down this trail. Hopefully I'm going the right way. I really just want to avoid going back up that hill, man. I don't know if you can see it. There are people hiking way up there. I got to find out how to get up on top of one of these mountains. You know, the only thing I can guess too is, like I said, it depends on where I'm at, if I'm hot or I'm cold. I guess to the people here, where it's cold all the time, today probably feels like, you know, for us when it's in the 90s or something. They're out here in tank tops and sleeveless dresses and all that. But now that I've gone, I don't know, probably not even 100 or so yards the other way, I got away from the water, now I'm hot again. That I want to take, got the city in front of me. I'm gonna walk around, see what I can get into. Hopefully I can find myself something to eat. I don't know if I want to just go with pizza because I know what it is, but the last pizza I had was bad. I'm just scared to eat like some of the food here because it's so expensive and I might not like it. But let's keep heading down this way. I don't know what that building is right there, but I'm guessing maybe it's a fish plant. It definitely smelled real fishy right there. There are those people again. They are way up there. I think they're gonna hike up to the summit. I don't think I got that in me. It'd be nice to get up there. I can see sheep. But yeah, that would be a all-day kind of trek there. I love this. The water is actually clear. It does have like a greenish, bluish tint, but it's cool. You can actually see down to the bottom. You don't see that in America. Guys, on a whim, I was just walking around and I found this place called Cafe Varmo, and this is a really good deal for 1,990 kroner. Got the lamb soup. I've never had lamb. It's really good. The meat's really tender. Got that Iceland butter, that nice yellow color. Got a cup of coffee. So I am going to devour this, and then I'm going to get out and just walk around a little bit more. But yes, lamb soup, really good. To the Airbnb for a minute. I'm gonna grab my car. There's a place called Puffin Lookout. It's about an 8-minute drive. but I had to stop at that place I was at and get this muffin. It's a caramel muffin, man. This thing is so good. All right, guys, I'll just see you when I get there. All right, check this out, guys. This is pretty cool. So my Airbnb is right up there. Those are my windows. And right over there is Eldfell volcano. That's the volcano that erupted in 1973. You still see there's nothing growing up there yet. So I'm gonna go to Puffin Point, and then maybe I'll try to make it up there and see what it's like up there on the volcano. If you ever come, make sure you're dressed in layers. A few minutes ago I was on the other side of the island and I was in a t-shirt. Now I'm at the southern point of the island. I'm heading towards Puffin Point, but look at this view. I won't say beautiful, I say it's gorgeous. How about that? And in a minute I'm gonna go over to the other side. The sea is on the other side, and then I'm gonna drive up there somewhere. Supposed to be a place you can hopefully see some puffins. Let's just walk down here by the sea a little bit. This is an amazing country. Hey, it's another one of those black sand beaches. Check this out. The sand is black. I believe that's from volcanic ash. Let's walk down here. Whoa. Oh, this is so cool. It's soft. All right, guys, it's time for another Iceland beach. You will not believe where I'm at right now. I'm on a black sand beach. If you look, all the sand here is black. That is so amazing. In my life, I've never seen a black sand beach. I got the sea or ocean on this side. I came from over here. But look at this, there is nobody at all here. So eventually, there's some cars up there. I'm gonna go up there. That's a puffin lookout. Hopefully I'm gonna catch some puffins. But before there, I'm gonna go to the other side. The ocean is over there. But this beach is just so cool. And I found, well, I guess I didn't found it. I didn't discover it, but I saw this in the water. I have no idea what that is. It must have come off of a ship or something. It's a big, giant metal. I have no idea what that is, but that's just so cool. You wonder how many years that thing has been there. How long did it take it to wash up? This is just, I don't know what to say. Look at the cliffs over there. Wow, I picked the perfect place to come, guys. And this is a part of dressing in layers here. Earlier I'm out, whoa, water's getting kind of close there. It was warm, I'm in my t-shirt. These waves are getting kind of big. I think the tides are rising. But now I got on my coat and my hat again. This is just a beautiful, gorgeous country. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying it's beautiful, but that's the only way I can describe it. You will not see things like this in America. Look at the landscape behind me. If there is some place in America like this, let me know, because I want to go. Solitude. Hey, okay, there's two people over here. I don't know where they came from. All right, I'm gonna go over to the other side, check out the ocean, and I'm gonna head up to Puffin Point. But yeah, this is, I'm done, man. I don't have words. This is amazing. Sorry guys, now I am on the other side of the road from where I just was with the black beaches. Here it's like a totally different terrain. So right over there, that's where the black sand was. It was all nice and soft and warm in my hands. So right over here across the street, look at all the rocks. I don't want to fall off this cliff right here. The terrain in this country is amazing. It changes every 5 minutes. It's pretty cold up here, I'm going to tell you that. There's some people way out over there. Some people pushing their bikes up that hill. But this is the second time, like just across the street, nobody was over there. I'm over here all by myself. It is really, really windy on this side. The ocean breezes are blowing. So I'm gonna keep heading up that hill and go to Puffin Lookout and see if I can find some puffins. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear my jacket's actually blowing in the wind. It's really, really windy on this side. But I don't care, it feels good to me. It's cold, but I can handle it because there's nobody here. I mean, I feel like I got a whole island to myself. Alright, so let's head up to Puffin Point, and then I'm going to check out, I believe it's called El Deer or El Fear or something, the volcano that erupted in 19